Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with another wig review. This one is going to be of a half wig or an instant weave wig. This one is by Sensationnel, and her name, well actually she just has a style number I think. Yeah, and it's HZ7041. And I have her in the color F430. And this is what she looks like. Hopefully that glare won't get you. But yeah. You know, we love our half wigs on those casual days, at least I do. So I picked her up again from Sam's back in the beginning of last year when they were having this, it was a sale and they had some clearance and stuff like that. So just trying to crank out these reviews and start wearing these wigs that I've accumulated. Okay, so let me cut the info card off and we will go over her. Now, let's see. Lots of packaging. Okay, so it comes with, okay, now this one apparently, which I missed, it says that it's one of those as seen on TV products, but I mean Sensationnel, as you can see, they make tons of half wigs, so I don't know if I missed this or if this was something special or whatever, but it came with this little step-by-step guide, and it shows you their different styles of wigs that they have as far as half wigs are concerned. Never seen that before in one of these, so maybe it was something special. And then they have these. And some of them, as you know, can be worn as ponytails and updos and things like that. So it just shows you how to wear things and how to, come on glare, how to wear the wig. So yeah, an instant weave little card. Okay, again, here's the card that came with the one that I have. So yep, again, this is HZ7041. Okay, take off the netting. And here she is. Really pretty. It's like a waterfall or water wave kind of thing going. And I like that. I like these. If you're like one of those vain people who work out and you don't want to be seen au naturel, so to speak, half wigs are great for working out in. You know, they could be kept specifically for that. Okay, she has a long comb in the front and a long one in the back. It's a little shorter than the top. And then you have sort of a loose cap construction, you know. It's breathable, like I said, which is good for working out. Now I'm going to see if I have a headband, because I'm going to have a headband with this. My hair is definitely not going to blend with it. And usually I do, y'all, but this one particular time I don't. So what I'm gonna do is grab a scarf and we're gonna use that. So if you hold on one second, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went and grabbed a scarf. This is one of those good old Dollar Tree scarves that they have each season. So yeah, I got that one all ready to go. So let's pop on this little baby here. Okay, straps already ready, and here we go. Okay, so here she is. I love the color now. It's really cute. But you know, I'm a dark kind of girl when it comes to certain styles of hair. Now, again, my hair is definitely not going to blend in with this, so I will definitely have to use this scarf or a headband. Again, I think this will be great to work out in, or just run errands. I wouldn't wear this to work. I wouldn't wear this to church. It's really pretty. Like I said, it's almost like a beachy wave, water wave kind of texture. Before I do anything, I'm gonna turn around so you can see everything. Okay, not much to see though, but this is the left side. This is the back. And I love the length. As you can see, it's a nice length. And then here is the right side. And then again, here we are in the front. Now this, again, will be good for a protective style, like if you wear it with the headband or whatever, if you're natural and stuff like that. If your hair will blend, now this color, I mean, unless your hair is a 4 or something, a 420, let's say, I'd say this might be a 27. You know, it just depends on your hair color. You may be able to blend your hair into this, but I don't, I mean, I know mine won't, but if you can, and if you have it in a color that, you know, like a darker color or whatever your hair color is, you might be able to, but it ain't working for me as far as that's concerned. Now, I like the style. I love the style of this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to use my scarf, I think, and I'm trying to see if I want to do it this way, or if I want to do a knot up front or a little bun. I think I'll do it like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take a scrunchie and pull the hair up out of the way. I love the texture, this pattern. I'm going to see if I could probably get it in a 1B. I think it would be even prettier. Here we go. And it is on the shiny side too. But it's probably this color. Usually if it's a darker color, it's not as bad. And I think I might go ahead and tuck in the comb so it won't slide back here. So I don't have any problems there. And then I'll add my scarf. Okay. Sure I'm all evened up. I love this scarf. For $1, y'all. Telling you, Dollar Tree has it going on. Okay, let's see. Do I want to do a little knot? No, I kind of like this. Go ahead and tie it up in the back. I get it. Okay. There we go. Now, kind of cool like that. Well, this would be cute for the beach, you know. I wouldn't get in the water. But if you just want to be cute around the pool, around the beach, this would be cute. Okay. Here we go. And this is really, really cute. Okay. And I think, well, make sure that comb. All right. I think I'm going to wear this out today because I got to go to the grocery store. And I think this is a nice little fun, casually kind of look. Okay. So, let's take the scrunchie off. She's just cute. I like that. Yep. And what I like about scarves, more so than headbands, is because sometimes you have that lift or that hump right there, and with a scarf you can kind of bunch it up so it doesn't look as obvious, you know, because, you know, sometimes people can be all up in your forehead looking at that hairline and stuff. So I like that. And I kind of like the fact that my scarf, let's see, can we do a little side thing? Rocking that little Dollar Tree scarf. Pull it to the side. You know, it doesn't matter what you paid for it. It's how you rock it, okay? So, here we go. I love this. Okay, now this is nice. This is casual. This is fun. This is almost a plop and go. You kind of gotta, you know, unless you can blend your hair with it in the front, by all means. But me, I have to do this. So I like this. I really do. Okay. So yeah, that is it. I think I'm done. I'm done. A little scarf going. All right, y'all. So this is Sensationnel's Instant Weave in the style HZ7041, and I have her in an F430. So not too bad. Love this. Love it. Again, Sam's Beauty. Pretty sure they still have these because they always have these half wigs and stuff like that. So yeah, if you have any questions, like I always say, please leave them below. Tell me what you think about this beauty. I like her. So that's gonna do it. Until my next video, I will see you then. Bye, y'all.